Alam mo, sa Yums, maganda din sa Yums kasi, alam mo na, public speaking, medyo na-enhance yung mga skills. Pero ano kasi, naka-align yung kukunin kong course sa college. Pero maganda naman siguro sa STEM, no? Oo. Sige, good luck na lang. Bye! Good luck din. Bye!
Are you curious about how the world works? Do you love solving problems, experimenting, or creating something new? Then the STEM strand, or the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, is for you. The STEM strand offers many advantages to students. One of its main benefits is that it develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are useful in everyday life. STEM is also prepares students for high-demand careers in medicine, engineering, information technology, and other scientific fields. Through hands-on activities and experiments, learners gain practical experience and confidence in applying what they learn. Most importantly, STEM encourages innovation and creativity, helping students discover new ways to improve the world and build a better future.
Now, let's hear some advice and experiences from someone who truly knows what it's like to take STEM strand. She's a STEM graduate and is currently pursuing her dream as a civil engineering student. Let's all welcome Ate Esther.
So, good day po ate. So, here's the question po is, what subject or activities in STEM did you enjoy the most and why?
Since puro kami online class nga nung nag-STEM ako kasi kasagsagan ng COVID-19 yun. So, hindi ko gaano na-experience mag face-to-face class. More on modular and online class lang talaga kami nung time na yun. Pero, ang pinaka na-enjoy kong subject sa STEM is yung calculus talaga. Kasi, mahilig talaga akong mag-solve. Tapos, ang hilig-hilig kong mag-explore ng mga bagay-bagay about sa math. Ayun lang.
Thank you. So, here's the second question po. Some students say STEM is too hard. What should you say to them?
So, para sa akin naman, oo, totoo, mahirap talaga ang STEM. Pero kung gugustuhin mo talaga is, kaya naman. So, ako, nahirapan talaga ako mag-STEM nung kapanahonan ko noon kasi talagang mahirap talaga mag-STEM nung mga panahong yun kasi nga online class, ganun. Tapos yung hindi siya face-to-face, walang nagtuturo sa'yo, more on modular. So, mahirap talaga. Since ngayon naman is nasa face-to-face class na tayo, or kayo, yan, na mga STEM students, kaya naman na. Kasi, nasa point na tayo na may nagtuturo sa atin, ayan, meron ng YouTube, ganun, na magtuturo sa inyo na kung paano yung mga bagay-bagay na, isosolve. Okay.
Alright, so here's the last question for you, ate. What advice you give to incoming senior high school students who are still deciding which strand to take?
So, ang advice lang namin maibibigay ko sa incoming senior high school students is dapat naka-align yung goals and interest nila sa iti-take nilang strand. Kasi kung hindi naka-align yun, balang araw, mahihirapan sila na, na i-pursue yung college dream or yung course na gusto nila sa college. Kasi, based on experience nga, nabanggit ko nga kanina, na yung strand ko na STEM is nakatulong sa akin sobra sa engineering kasi naka-align siya. So, same with other strand din. Kung gusto nilang matuto sa solving or naka-align sila sa gusto nilang mag-build ng bagay-bagay. So, ayun, mag-STEM sila. Yun lang. Yung masasabi ko.
Thank you po ate for answering our question for you.
The world is constantly changing, and the future belongs to those who can adapt, innovate, and create. By choosing the STEM strand, you open doors to endless possibilities, from discovering scientific breakthrough to designing technologies that shape tomorrow. STEM challenged you to think critically, solve real-world problems, and turn your ideas into reality. So take the first step towards a brighter future. Choose STEM, where curiosity meets innovation and dreams becomes discoveries.
Choose STEM.
Choose STEM.